seem odd. But we're going to play some Battle Cats. I almost forgot the name. Hopefully there's a setting. Menu. No, go back. How do I get rid of this? No, I'm just done. Hopefully you can still hear me. Hopefully. I'm just gonna turn it up. Don't mind me. I was reading the comments, and hopefully they come back, but I don't know their name. I don't read people's names, but hopefully they come back. If you look in some of my comments, you could see them giving me advice for this because I got master at this game. I'm just going to open it. I want to see what they give me. What's this? What's this? What's cut ass? Is it a cat that is like cutting other things up, like slapping them dead? Maybe. Lucky ticket. I'm going to open regular cat. So I have 4. Open 4 times. Alright, what do I get? I don't want. I want to see some cats. I want to see some cats, not Alfred. Yes, a cat. Finally, something good. Do you know how rare that would be? Actually, I don't know how rare, but it would be rare. Okay, but no, I don't think they're rare. Okay, lucky cactus. I'm currently somewhere right now. I'm not saying it because I don't want people like come to where I am and then stalk me. Yeah. I forget how to play this game. Someone please help me. I totally forgot. All I know is I want to use him. Yes, I want to unlock him. Yes. I would wish to use it. Yes. Use. Always like just press use pretty much. It's like easy for everything, even if you have it. I totally forgot how to play this game. Someone please tell me how to play this game. I forget. I really don't remember. It's super rare. No. I think I got all of them, right? Good. That's really good. So, I know how to play this game. I have some of these, it's just when I like totally forgot, like I was using a different iPad. Basically, I got a new one, so we could just say it that way. I want more money. Send out the cats to destroy all other animals. Wait, I forgot it. I need to escape. I need to add with him. I want to get rid of we're not actually killing real animals. How much is... Oh, 500. I could easily save up for him. I bet he's like overpowered. Level him up all the way. Actually, we did not need to buy that. I don't know why, but somehow when I mean allergies, I mean like I basically just have a running nose right now. Don't know how it happened, just happened. But yeah, I think it's running nose right now. We don't want to we want to go be embarrassed. Well, I mean, life just doesn't want to be nice. Kung Fu Cat, go in this way. Is there like, was it? There! I finally figured it out. You're getting destroyed by a cat that's in clothes. Okay, send out the rover. Oh, that thing's like OP, I bet. Has to reload like that. We're taking over the world. To get your base. I'm sending out Thor. Thor, go kill them. You're going to save us all. Or maybe... See, I can talk. Yay! I destroyed animals to live. Wait, am I the bad guy here? I think I am. I probably am. Thor. Yeah, you can upgrade stuff. What's my cat food? Or buy stuff. I'm going to buy like 50,000 of this. Yeah, buy money. I have 30 left. I always just want this to go away for some reason. Upgrade. I definitely want to upgrade. No. Upgrade. I forget, like, is it level 10 when they upgrade? Someone please tell me. I forget. I haven't played this game in like a year or something. Yeah. Range. Even more range. Okay, now it's probably just over the enemy's base now. Okay, get ready to get destroyed, cats. No, I mean other animals. Okay, that's very far away. I get to save up my money, and you don't get to ruin my life because you're so close. You're not. I get to save up money and save up for the cool rover guy that can go wee and destroy all of you. That's your weakness, the rover guy. I want to save up for the rover guy because he's cool. I want to. It's ain't thingies. I can't tell what they are, but I'm assuming they're dogs. Because I actually can't tell. They look like dogs. Just I don't know. If you get past that, I will destroy you with my laser gun. It's one cat versus like a whole army. I dare you cross that line. That just killed like a whole group of animals. I'm gonna send out a Kung Fu. I can't talk. That's probably why I can't understand English. I like check my comments. I check every single video's comments. Yeah, I have. I want another Rover cat. Because he's going to be fun. Come on. Finish up already. I'm running you out again. You see how fast he goes though? This is like the best thing in the game. It has to be. It's like the army of the game. I win. I don't know what that is. No cat. What is it? Is it that special cats? No. I don't want him. What's new? Okay. I'm just gonna bye. I'm just gonna go destroy some other cats now. Destroy other things because the cats. Oh gosh, they're the snake's faster than the dog. That one guy that actually loves my content when I make horrible content. But at least I'm making kind of good ones now. In my opinion, I don't know. I bet you guys are like, if you ever watch this one video, you're probably screaming at me, like right now, like, you are so dumb. I'm going to destroy your face. Destroyed your family. I'm going to destroy that pig no matter what. It's red. I think I could destroy it easily. But I remember it being like level 100. And I lost it now. I'm going to try and get that Rover guy out as soon as possible. That Kung Fu guy's OP. He's dead. Chop him up. What? Okay, that thing's OP. Excuse me, this is a game breaker. If you ever get this, immediately just try and save up for him. That thing's like OP. I'm going to that's how it works. That one Kung Fu guy coming back, I'm like, I'm here. Special. Okay. I don't understand what just happened. I forget what you get when you're clear rank 100 to get one free rare ticket gift. Upgrade units to increase. Yeah, so I can't continue this because, like, I gotta do stuff. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.